Also, people who are in pain, one of the earliest research that was ever carried out really on hypnosis, and the most biggest body of evidence, is using hypnosis and to manage pain. And part of, if I've got somebody I'm working with who's got pain issues, I teach them self-hypnosis in order for them to be able to take control of their pain. Even things like arthritic pain, just by going into trance relaxes you. Just by going into trance, it helps you to take pressure, for example, off the joints if you've got arthritic fingers, or around your knees or hips or wherever it might be. And there are other things that we do. You need to really be taught how to do that by a therapist, but many things we can do. You can even end up going for operations without any form of anesthetic. Obviously you need to be trained how to do that, and we have had a very nice program we've been running, research programming, that looks at hypnosis and its application in surgery. It's fascinating to see people undergo an operation with no anesthetic and a big smile on their face.